Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu inside Windows 10. We will be using the Wubi, which used to be the favorite for many people to install Ubuntu alongside their Windows system. So since Windows 10 came up, we are not able to use the traditional Wubi, but now we have a option called wubiuefi, and this is the GitHub page for this tool. So all you have to do is just go over to the releases and download the version that you want, the Ubuntu version that you want. So there are several releases for each of the Ubuntu version. You just choose which one you want and you just go for the download, just like that. And once the download finishes, you can just install your Ubuntu the same way that you used to do. So this is the screen we get when we start the downloaded wubiuefi installer, and you just choose the drive that you want to install and the size you want to allocate for Ubuntu, and just choose the settings and you can just press to download. I'll just choose some username and password and click install. So this is gonna take some time to download the files and complete the installation, so we'll wait for that. So after the download and extraction of the files are done, you will get to this screen where we can choose to reboot now or later, and when we reboot the machine we can start using our newly installed Ubuntu. There is another option with this Ubuntu installer. If you have already downloaded the Ubuntu.iso, you can just use the command that I have mentioned in the description to directly use that ISO instead of downloading a new one. Thank you for watching.